First of all, don't forget to subscribe. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning about budgie fun facts. Fun fact number 1. The oldest budgie that has ever lived was Charlie, who lived in England. Fun fact number 2. Budgies can fly over 100 miles in search of food or water. Fun fact number 3. Budgies glow in UV light. Fun fact number 4. Did you know that budgies have over 3,000 feathers covering their whole body? Fun fact number 5. Their hearts beat 500 times a minute. Wow, that's a lot. Fun fact number 6. Wild budgies are green and yellow to camouflage. Fun fact number 7. Budgies see more colors than us. Fun fact number 8. Did you know that budgies digest their food really quickly? That's why they poop every 20 minutes. Fun fact number 9. Budgies are very good at talking. Fun fact number 10. The last but not least. Budgies can hear really good, but not as good as humans though. Now that is the end, but don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring the bell. Thanks for watching. See you again.